it's looking like right now. You can see. That's what we're working with. Take that picture down and take that nail out. Move this right here, and then I'm going to wipe my wall down. Then I'm going to add the electrical tape. I'm not sure what design I'm going to go for just yet, but I'm going to go ahead and start wiping the wall down, and I guess I can figure it out, you know, pretty soon. Okay, so I done cleaned the wall off and removed the picture that was up there, and you know, just slid my mirror over. So I think I'm gonna just kind of go with, like, I don't know, I'm gonna think of some type of shape or style, but you just have to just stay tuned. open this, and as you can see, it already starts to come off. Yeah, I don't know. And I feel like I probably would like it if it was finished. But I just don't want to risk, actually doing it and it comes off again. So I decided that I was going to do it like how I did my closet in my room. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to still utilize this. I'm just going to cut it up, and I'm going to have to go back and probably get 2 packs of that electrical tape. And I wanted to do this first, like how I got in my closet in my room. But this is a big wall, y'all. I have to fill up this whole wall. And I know it's going to take me a couple days. So that's why I was trying to avoid. I was trying to do something that was, more simple, that would be faster. But yeah, we about to do that. So it's going to take me a couple days, but yeah. Figure out how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna just do like this row here, skip, do that row, skip, do that row, do it like that. I just had to move my chair because Jordan came home. But I'm gonna do all that, skip, do all that, skip, do all that. So I feel like I like that better. But I'm out of, and I don't want to take that tape off and go ahead and use it because I want to keep a line so I can know what I need to, mark. Tape. I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and get probably get 2 more packs of this tape so I can, make sure I have enough. And it shouldn't take me long. And I thought about doing it. I was like, yeah, if it should look right without me having to do the whole wall. I'm gonna just skip one and do it. So that's that. Decided to do it a little differently. As you can see, I just did that side, skip, and it was like another line that I had, but I just did it like that, skip, and that. So that's how it came out. I like it. It turned out really good. But as you can see right on this out right here, they not as close as this and this. So sometime I'm gonna go back and fill it in. But I'm actually thinking when I get some more free time, I'm just gonna do the whole wall, and this is like another angle. So that wraps up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything that I have said or done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. That's all y'all gonna see. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.